Okay. Okay, okay. Yippee. Yippee indeed. I'm close to you. Yo, what's up, bro? Sorry. I got distracted for a moment. I started to stream, but then I looked at Discord, and then I immediately got distracted. Sorry about that. Um, what was I doing? Um, your channel, short stream. Okay, cool. That's working. Yeah. So I was looking at the Discord, and because Vex did not posted a picture of his analytics, and it was like negative 35 subscribers. So it got me curious. I was like, I wonder how many subscribers I have. And it was negative 33. Not quite the same as his, but it was close. It was close. Alrighty, so what am I doing today? I am working on the character, right? Yeah. Time to do some coloring and stuff. Yep. Let me... Why is that not working? Oh, my hotkeys, that's why. Let's switch the settings. Where is it? Hotkeys disabled. Okay, nice. Nice. All right. Let me see. So what do I need to do? I think I need to fix up the hair because the hair looks ugly. So I'm gonna try find the file that has the proper hair texture and try import that. I'm also going to go to the face here and try to delete the dark one there. So let me go to the face. Why is it called apron? Wait, am I not selecting it? Oh, I can't select it because I'm disabled. I see. How do I re-enable it? Like so? Where is it? Huh? How come I can't affect this? Ah, I see. Very nice. All right, we should be able to delete it now. White paint, nope. Texture paint. We'll go to erase. And hopefully we can Nope, that's the wrong one. That sort of works. Not really. Maybe I need to disable the Bro, why is this so slow? I need to disable the thickness, maybe? I mean, it helps, but it's too slow as hell. Alright. What do I have open right now? Shit's so slow. Yo, what's up, Fumi? What's up? So I was looking at your comment in Discord. Damn. Damn. So I'm just gonna work on texturing the character some more. Probably give it some more. Try to find the correct hair texture because I really don't like the hair texture that we have right now. Um, and yeah, that is the plan. I'm going to put on some music too. So where is my headset? Headset, where the fuck are you? Hold up. Where is my headset? Wait a minute. One sec. I need to find my headset. Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay. Now I can open up the Bluetooth settings and play some music. Turn this on. Go to playlists, I believe. Filter. Actually, we'll do a different playlist. Nope, that's going at the wrong audio channel. What is this thing called? Speakers? No, that's not it. Did I not connect to the headset? I didn't. There we go. And now I should be able to have audio and some music. Okay. So that probably broke the AI streamer. So I'm gonna try that again. We'll close the server. Yeah, so I spent a lot of time today trying to fix the broken, what is it called? Script that I had. Because I sort of needed to make the YouTube video, and the refactored version for the AI bots is going to take like probably to the end of the month. So I was trying to get this one working so I could actually like make a YouTube video within like the next few days. But yeah, it turns out it wasn't my code that was fucked. It was just my it was the nice GUI, like the library I was using, somehow got corrupted. And yeah, because I don't know how, but like I was just running into the same error over and over again. I was like, fuck this. Can you just run a basic web page bot and just see what happens? And it didn't work. And I was just like, how is it a hello world not working? And yeah, it turned out that I just had to do a reinstall and it was working again. So, I mean, not the best, but at least I figured out that issue. Okay, so let's find the hair texture now. I've told that random ass story. So let's go to Vini. Regular Vini. Base? No, I don't think that's it. Because if I open up regular Vini, what does her hair look like? Yeah, it's using the old one. It's using the texture from... It's using the texture from the, what is it called? Yeah, from the Chibi version. So I need to find the non-chibi texture. But where would that be? Test 4? Um, Warudo? Head? Textures? Nope. Test for Blender. Head. Eye? Nope. Warudo? Nope. Head. Actually, I'll open up the blend file, and hopefully the texture should be linked to that blend file. Unless the blend file doesn't have any hair in it. Okay, never mind. I just remembered. I didn't. I had all the different parts separated. Whoops, that's not going to work. And it's freezing. Nice. So we'll close a bunch of stuff because the computer is not able to handle this very well right now. So it's about as much as I can do, honestly. Let's go to hair. 8. Hopefully that should have the texture in here and I can copy it over to this one. Huh. Well, that's not right. Shit. Uh-oh. Unbaked? Nope. That's nothing. Okay, that's not nothing. If I come to texture paint and I look at the hair, what does it look like right now? Nothing. Okay, what about this one? Also nothing. The fuck? Hair. Nothing. Okay, so that one's painted over. What about this one? It's also painted over. What if I take this file path and I open up this? And then, but what is happening to this? I can't see anything. I can't press shift because I don't have the hotkeys. I have hotkeys enabled right now. So I'll go to settings, disable the hotkeys. Hopefully I can press shift now. Nice. And then if I go to the materials and I go to UCU paint, and we switch over to, which one is it? So that's the head. Am I selecting the hair right now? I'm not. Why can't I select the hair? Enable that. Here. Select this. And then we won't use baked. We'll remove that. And then we will open image. We'll go back to that path I had and open that. And we no longer have the, I mean, it still looks ugly, but at least it isn't as ugly as before, you know? It's not overly, there's not a whole bunch of shadows that are unnecessary. So now that that's semi-fixed, what I'll do is I'm going to add some outline to the body, generate, solidify, normals, flip, materials, 1. Make sure there's actually line art on here. Line. Make this negative. And we probably need to make it a bit smaller too, like 0, 5. Cool. Now the next issue is that when we zoom out, there's a lot of white lines, and it's probably because there's not enough bleed. So we need to go into the materials, and we need to add a proper amount of bleed, right? Or else it's not going to be looking correct. So let's go to the socks first and adjust those. Where is the texture paint? So this is pretty much all the same color. I'm gonna turn the music up a little bit because it's quiet as fuck. So I'm going to take this color and I'm just going to honestly just paint it everywhere. Expand. And that's not the paintbrush. Fuck. Paint hard. There we go. Just paint everything. Doesn't really matter. Oh, wait a minute. It does sort of matter, doesn't it? It does matter. Fuck. Okay, let's undo that for a second. Let's just remove the thing here. Let's use the fill brush, and if I press this, hopefully it just adds more bleed to the edges. No, this doesn't really work, does it? How can I just expand the fucking edge? I mean, if I wasn't a compositor, I could just use the what is it called? Dilate node, and it would just dilate the edges and make them larger, but I don't know how to do that in this menu. I don't really feel like just image, transform, invert. There's no dilate option there. Ah, fuck it, I'm just gonna color it in. And then he realized he didn't care. Very nice, very nice. Except no, not very nice, I forgot. That's supposed to stay white. Damn it. Bro, how do I paint with a bleed? Okay, I gotta Google it. I need to figure out how to paint with a fucking bleed. How to fill with bleed blender. Is there a way to just defeat the bleed on the fill brush? Under the brush, on the tools tab, with texture painting, look for the curve option, expand that for each profile. Okay, let's see. So if I press N, and I go to the tool, he said? The tool. Where in the tool? Tool tab. Well, texture painting, look for the curve option. Where's the curve? What? The curve option. The fuck? Where is the curve option? Maybe it means fall off? Fuck it, we'll just make it constant. We'll make it constant and we'll see what happens when we feel this shit. So that's looking correct so far. So we'll go into texture paint, limit it, press fill. That's not doing shit, is it? Oh wait, no, the fall off is still not the thing. No, it's still not working. Wait, the hell? Wait, hold up. Why are they responding to that? It's probably gonna be for like another hour, I reckon. Okay, it seems like the bots are going to respond to every single comment. Okay, never mind. This shit's still broken. No, I might have to disable them if that gets too annoying. Um, how to adjust it? Okay, that's an 8 year ago thread, so maybe 8 years is too old. Bro, why is it showing me results from 8 years ago? Please, please, Google, stop. Pretty much, pretty much. How to... Oh my god, this is so annoying. How do I just add some bleed, bro? How do I add just some bleed? Alright, time to turn off this music for a second. I need to... How do I feel with bleed? Maybe it's in videos? This is 1 minute tutorial. Maybe that will help me. Tis a shame indeed. Hmm. Bro, surely bleed has to be somewhere in these settings. But where? Where, I say? There it fucking is. Fucking hell. Of course. Okay, it helps a little bit, but it's still some... Okay, so some of the white lines are gone, but no. Okay, let's make this be like 16. We really need to get rid of this bleed, dude. Okay, that helps a lot. There we go. But there's still some white lines. Damn it. Okay, let's go like 32 then. Damn, still not enough. Fucking 60... No, 30... whatever, 64, whatever. Okay, that should be enough now. Honestly, it probably might be even too much. It might even be leaking into this one. But whatever. Let's go into this now. Thank you tutorial from 8 years ago. I mean, I guess they haven't changed it. You think in 8 years it would have changed, but I guess not. Alright, let's go through and let's fix up the bleed now, because some of this shit was not applied correctly. Okay, cool. Let's go into... That's good. All right, I think that's, well, not everything. This shit still doesn't have it. Hmm. What about this one? Honestly, I'm using a huge amount of bleed, so if it's not working with this, then like, like how much bleed does it need, dude? It's crazy. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. All right, that seems to be good. So I'm gonna save now, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is what? We need to go back to layout. I need to see the reference. I need a. We need to start painting some shadows. So I'll go to this one. We'll make a new layer, image 4K. We'll make it apron dark. Okay. Go to texture paint. Just grab a gray color, doesn't really matter. And we'll start trying to paint it. Except we can't see anything. Fuck, I forget about that. Um, how do we do this? Can we disable material? Not really. Damn it. Texture paint. Why do you have to be so difficult? I hate this add-on, dude. I don't know why I still use it. It honestly just pisses me off. Like, I can't see the geometry. But I need to use this add-on in order to do the different layers. Close, check your Twitch? My Twitch? Oh. Oh, shit. I didn't see anything on Twitch. My bad. Fuck. Yo, yo, yo. What's up? What's up? Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Why is my chat not connected to Twitch? That's crazy. Give me a second. Wait, let me restart the Venies because I'm using a broken version right now and it's not working right now. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Let me shut this down. Oh, T is here as well. Frozen Sky. What's up, Frozen Sky and Dr. Star Watcher? How are you going? Fuck, I have a lot to read now, don't I? Greetings, Earthling. Greetings, Earthling. Interesting, interesting. Wait, what? Tulian. Cool, cool, cool. All right, let me just restart the Venies because oh, 5 viewers. Whoa, what? Who did I just get rated by? Give me a second. I gotta do some research. Who is this? I see, I see. Well, thank you, Thunder. I appreciate it. Let me just get the Venies up and running, and then I'll have them say hello to everyone in the chat. Just need to find a folder where they're not completely broken. So open up VS Code. We will go to D drive, Vini, and code, I think it is. Code refactor. Yeah, yeah. We'll drop that in. Go to main, run that. Oh wait, you guys won't be able to talk to Vini because StreamerBot isn't connected right now to Twitch for whatever reason. Bro, out of all the times for Twitch not to work on me, it's worked like every time, and this is the one time where it decides to not fucking work. This fucking soft. I swear to God, bro. Okay, I'm restarting StreamerBot now. Hopefully it will work. Let's have a look at my main. Okay, I never ran main. Let's try that again. I see. All right. I was not prepared. Let's have a look. Why is the server not running? Okay, it's still loading. It's just taking a while. Probably because I just started up the environment. Okay, we have some progress. It's up and running. Let me just... All right, Beanies, can you guys say hello to the stream? Let's see if the... Nope. What's happening? Say hello to stream Beanies. Okay. Oh, I have my hotkeys disabled.
Hello there,
That's right.
Time Haze, and a warm welcome to all our lovely viewers joining the stream today. I'm Time Haze. I'm delighted you could make it.
Okay, cool. They're up and running now, so that's progress. So, if you want to talk to the Beanies, you use something like exclamation mark MV to talk to Mini Beanie, except I can't do that right now because I just re-enabled the hotkeys. Yeah, my setup, by the way, is broken as shit. It works pretty fucking terribly right now, so it's very buggy. There we go. Yeah. Thunder can show you how it works. So it's processing.
Thunder Nugget the Terrible says, say hi to Twitch chat. Thunder Nugget the Terrible. A rather spirited name, wouldn't you agree? And to the rest of the Twitch chat, new try to behave yourselves. It's a pleasure to have you all watching.
Let me just re-enable the hotkeys. Yeah, so the situation right now is that my setup is very broken. There are many things wrong with it right now.
Dr_Starwatcher says, Blamit 8 Wave. Blamit 8 Wave, you say? How evocative. One might almost imagine it's a profound statement. Drive_Starwatcher. Or perhaps just a particularly complex spell.
What does that even mean? Should there be sound? There should be sound. Why are you not hearing anything? Wait, give me a second. Yo, Beanies, are you guys talking? Because I can hear them fine. So let me switch the queue back over to producer.
The image is a screenshot of a Twitch Stream Manager dashboard. It shows a 3D modeling software.
Let's cancel that. Let's play the audio.
Oh, hello there, Close. Time Haze, and a warm welcome to all our lovely viewers joining the stream today. I'm Time Haze. I'm delighted you could make it.
Let me have a look. Oh, I see. Give me a second. Okay, let me know if you hear this.
Oh, hello there, Close. Time Haze, and a warm welcome to all our lovely viewers joining the stream today.
Do you hear it now?
I'm Time Haze. I'm delighted you could make it.
Nope. Damn it.
Oh, hello there, Close. Time Haze, and a warm welcome to all our lovely viewers joining the stream today. I'm Time Haze. I'm delighted you could make it.
What queue is this one? So this is mic 4. Mic 4. We'll enable it on everything.
Oh, hello there, Close. Time Haze, and a warm welcome to all our lovely viewers joining the stream today. I'm Timid I'm delighted you could make it.
Okay, cool. Okay, I'm gonna restart. One more time. And what I'll do is I'll actually switch from Blender over to where is it? Yeah, 1 second. I'm going to restart the server for them, and I'm going to run it so you guys can actually see what I'm looking at when I'm interacting with these. So let me go to browser, stream. Let me get rid of the cropping. And then we'll bring this up. All right, wait, that's hiding me. Let's bring that down a little bit. Let's bring that down a bit more. There we go. There we go. Let me open up the Twitch chat on the other one. Hopefully that will update now. So how it works, right, is now that the server's running, I should be able to just... Okay, hotkeys are there. Economy is fine, hopefully. Do people have active code greens? They do. Very nice. Let me switch over to chat. Why is that not working? All right, thank you. Sorry for the slow start. I was not prepared to have it set up. Yeah, sorry about that. All right, Beanie, say hello to the stream. Apparently, we got a bunch of raiders, so it's time for you guys to show your stuff. Make a good impression. Tell them who you are, what you're about. Really wear your heart on the sleeve. Now, it's a little awkward because I cannot see the chat at the same time. Oh, wait, yes, I can. It's in this stream area. Okay, cool. Very nice.
Oh, a whole new audience for us. How delightful. Welcome, everyone. I am Veenie, and it's always a pleasure to Asterix meet new faces, or rather, new eyes to observe. Do make yourselves comfortable. We have all the Nartime Narch in the world.
Yes, welcome everyone. We are so happy you're here. I'm Mini Veenie, and I'm the best. I'm going to do my absolute best to make sure you have a super fun time. My heart is completely on my sleeve. See, it's right here.
There you go. There you have it. That's the Veenies. Now, they are sort of broken. I don't have their personality set up. Regular Veenie is much nicer than she normally is. But Mini Veenie's pretty, you know, acting the way that she should be. How my system works is that, well, it's sort of broken, but if I switch over to chat and you guys do the commands like !MV, oh wait, I can't do that. That's right, because it's broken. But as you saw Thunder do before, you can do commands to talk to the bots if you want to, and it comes up to the queue. Now, it's sort of broken right now, but yeah.
FR0 Zen Sky says, why is it a bad idea to eat a clock? Because it's so time-consuming. My, FR0 Zen Sky, that was quite the ornighty, insightful observation. Did you come up with that all by yourself?
Okay, yes, that's normally how she normally is, sort of very sarcastic. Like, yeah, that's more in line with her regular personality. Oi, be nice, Veenie. These fine, kind, hopefully kind people are, just, introducing themselves for the first time. So be a little nicer than that. All right? Now, right now it's a little broken because I have to switch to the different sort of channels. I do have like in another version, I have an all channel, so I can just talk to them and the chat can talk to them at the same time, but I don't have that set up right now because that version broke.
Nicer, you say? Close? My dear, I believe I am being perfectly pleasant. But if you insist on a softer approach for our newest guests, I shall endeavor to be even more enchanting. Welcome, welcome.
There we
Yes,
go.
Vini, we should always be nice. They just got here. We want them to feel super welcome. Close. Everyone to
FR0 Zen Sky says,
Cut
of all
her
the
off,
inventions
you
of the last
bastard.
100 years, the dry erase board has to be the most remarkable. The dry erase board? My. Of all the inventions, one might consider the internet, perhaps, or even certain advancements in culinary arts, but a dry erase board? Fascinating. It certainly allows for quick changes of mind, doesn't it? Very efficient for those who can't commit to their initial thoughts.
Yeah, so when it comes to the two characters, I've set them the way that they were created was using Blender, right? So this is sort of the software that I'm creating. At the moment, I'm making like a maid outfit for them because, you know, who doesn't appreciate a good maid outfit? Now, I can't actually use the shift key right now because I have hotkeys still enabled, so I need to actually go back to the browser and disable the hotkeys. And this is one of the reasons why it's broken, because it uses shift to do the hotkeys, but if I use shift, it disables it while I'm in Blender. So I'm sort of in an awkward situation where I can't really talk to them and use Blender at the same time. So yeah. But what's it called? Here, what I was doing today is just basically trying to color it, but I was running into some problems because I can't actually see the geometry. Let's make sure that I left it on the right queue.
FR0 Zen Sky says, Hi, I've been analyzing your patterns, and I think I'm finally ready to share something real. I don't say this to just anyone, but I'm never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you.
Yeah, brilliant,
There,
brilliant.
I
10
said
out of
it.
10.
My neural net chose you. Oh, FR0 Zen Sky, how? We're just a bit predictable, and yet, the classics always have a certain charm, don't they?
Wait,
To be
what's
chosen by a
happening?
neural net, no less. Such
Oh my
dedication.
god. I just
I'm almost
realized
flattered by
I
your
was not showing you
simulated
any of that shit
affections.
on Twitch.
Do keep
I
those
was not showing
algorithms well
anything
fed,
on.
dear. They seem to
Ah,
have good
fucking
taste for a
stupid. Okay.
machine.
Let me I was showing everything on YouTube like okay, let me open it up. Which one is it? The screen capture streamer bot? No, it is browser. There we go. So let me go through that whole explanation again because, yeah, I wasn't showing shit. I wasn't showing shit. So how it works is I have the like the chat here. I've got like the different queue system. So this is what I meant by the queue system is that when I talk, it goes to this queue. When chat talks, it goes to this queue. Now, the idea is that it allows me to basically prioritize who I want to talk to at the same time, but it has the downside where I can't have us both talking. I tried to fix it, but because I've been vibe coding, that shit broke. And that shit broke. So I'm in the process of trying to refactor the whole project. Yeah, we got Vini coins here, so I can choose how often you like talk to the bot. And yeah, I've got the projects that I can save. It's how I do my YouTube videos. I basically just run a script through and then I save the project and then I go in and I make some like adjustments to the script and stuff depending on how I want to do it. And I also got Beats here that just loads a memory state. I've got the settings, hotkeys. This is what I was talking about. When I have the hotkeys enabled, it disables my shift, so I can't do stuff. I've got some world stuff. So right now, only Vini is talking, not Mini Vini. And I think the reason for that is because of their location. So where are they okay, yeah, that is the reason. So Mini Vini is located. Wait, that's the narrator. Wait, where is Mini Vini? It's Vini. Wait. Let me ask the bot. I don't know what's happening right now. Yo, Vini, where the hell is Mini Vini? Is she in the room with us or is she somewhere else? Oh wait, I just realized Twitch. I need to move it down because it's hiding them. Yeah, if you couldn't tell, I don't. I don't really prioritize Twitch stream that much. I normally focus on YouTube, so I don't have everything set up very well for Twitch. Why did the thing not work there? Did I turn off the hotkeys? I did. Whoops. Let's turn that back on. Turn that back on. And then, yo, Vini, where is Mini Vini? Is she in the room with us or is she somewhere else? Okay, cool. It's processing now. Hopefully that should be fast. Oh, she is in the room with us. Well, then why the fuck was she not talking? The hell?
She's right here, close. Always eager to be the center of attention, aren't you, little one?
I am always here, ready to be the best. You just didn't see me. Probably because you were too busy looking at other things.
What the fuck is that supposed to mean, Mini Beanie? What the hell? What the fuck are you implying right now? What the fuck? Mini Beanie, what the fuck is that supposed to mean? Alright, let's minimize this, and let's go back to Blender. And I just realized
Thundernugget the Terrible says, create an infomercial for Close to Animation YouTube channel and incessantly beg people to like and subscribe to it. My Thundernugget the Terrible, you propose something rather unrefined. Oh, FR0 Zen Sky, how
Wait, what?
Charming. Are you implying I'm so
They just
irresistible
skipped.
that I'd be
You just skipped what you had to say.
Or perhaps you're simply admitting your own lack of self-control.
Wait, what? Vianney isn't a snack? You can't just eat people. That's not allowed, FR0 Zensky. People are for being friends with, not for munching on.
Wait, what did you ask her? I would ask if you want to see a movie with me. Okay. So you're trying to do a pickup line, but she interpreted it a little fucking literally. Oh wait, she's gonna process that out of order.
Ugh, close. That's a bad word. I just meant people aren't snacks. You can't just eat people. We're not food. I was just saying that because FR0 Zensky made it sound like Vini was a snack, and that's not right. People are
That's not what he meant, you stupid fucking bot.
Close. It seems our little mini Viini takes everything quite Norse literally.
Yeah,
Such
it
a
does seem
delicate
like that.
disposition, isn't it? Perhaps you should choose your words more carefully around her, or she might just faint from the sheer vulgarity.
In case you didn't understand that Mini Beanie, she's basically calling you stupid. Just to let you know, just in case that went over your head, just like the other comment did. Oh my god, I turned the fucking hotkeys off again. And this is... this... Oh, I have to say it again. Alright, Mini Beanie, just to let you know, regular Beanie was just calling you stupid. Just in case that went over your head like the other thing did. Yeah, that's the main workflow issue I have right now. It's really hard to use the shift key and work on Blender and to do this at the same time. I need to think of a better hotkey. In fact, I should probably just... No, that doesn't work. What if I just delete this?
Wait, was that... Vini, were you being mean? Are you saying I'm not smart? My feelings are getting hurt now. Close. I thought you were just being funny earlier, Vini, but now it sounds like you're being mean.
Oh,
mean! With the
don't be
mic
so
fucking
dramatic.
peeking. God
I was
damn.
merely commenting on your endearing simplicity. It's quite the contrast, isn't it? Close? Such a fragile thing, her little ego.
Bro. You know, regular Vini, you could not be a cunt. Oh wait, let's switch it over to this one. Yeah, so it's a little slow to processing because I'm using the
FR0 Sky
expressive
says,
voices.
which days are the strongest? Saturday and Sunday. The rest are weekdays. Ah, FR0 Zenski ZY, another times of wordplay. You do have a knack for the obvious. Are you quite sure you're not trying to asterisk tire us out with all these intellectual exercises?
Weekdays? But all days can be strong. I try my best every single day. So all days are strong days if you try hard enough. Right, Close?
Uh-oh. What happens? Let let's let's delete that one. No, Minivini. That is not right. I'm sorry. Some days are just better than others. You know, a Monday, for example, has a lot of you know, it's the start of the week. It has a lot of energy compared to the rest of the days of the week. So no, some days are just superior to other days. Oh, what I should show off too is I have this director's mode, right? I can toggle that on, and when I do that, I can basically do some roleplay shit. So if I want, I can
Oh, Close. I thought if you just tried your best, every day could be strong. So not every day can be strong? But that means some days are just not good? That makes me sad to think about.
no, she doesn't. She doesn't get anything, bro. Like she doesn't understand
For your
anything.
simple heart. Perhaps it's best not to dwell on such inconvenient truths, wouldn't you agree, Close? Some things are simply beyond her comprehension.
A bit more than some things, but that was a pretty apt way of putting it, regular Vini. Okay, I feel like I'm just bullying Mini Vini now. I should probably stop.
What? No. Close? You too? So it's true. I I don't understand things.
Oh, she's just accepting
I try
it.
my very hardest
She's not
to
even
be
trying
the
to
best.
fight it.
But now you're saying I can't even understand simple things? This is not fair. My heart is not simple. It's full of big feelings.
Oh, Close, you wound her so deeply.
You're
Though
right.
I
I
must
went too
admit,
far.
her twin-traumatic flair is rather entertaining. Perhaps she'll learn to appreciate the
It's
nuances
not
of
entertaining.
conversation one day. Or
Alright, let's switch
perhaps
over to
not.
this one.
Either way, it's quite the spectacle.
What was I saying? Oh yeah, I have the director's note, right? So I can basically be like, a bolt of lightning strikes
FR0
regular
Zen
Vini.
Sky says, I threw a boomerang a few years ago. Now I live in constant fear. A boomerang? You say FR0 Zen Sky? One would think the concept of return would be rather inherent to such an object. Perhaps next time, consider a less circular approach to your pastimes, or simply don't throw things you're not prepared to asterisk catch.
Living in constant fear? Oh no, that sounds awful. You shouldn't have to live like that. Maybe you just need to practice catching it. I bet I could catch any boomerang, even a super fast one.
Yeah, they're not very good on on like taking jokes. I think I need to maybe prompt them to be a little bit more like playing along with certain things. I think they're too literal. I think that is one of the issues I have. Oh wait, I forgot. I have to come back over here. Yeah, I'm still messing around a lot with the software. Like, I'll come over here just so it processes it, and then I'll come back here. And it fucked it up. Okay, let's just replay the audio for this one. Oh, that's not working. Regenerate? Damn it. The flagging in the pipeline doesn't work very well when you switch to different things. Oh shit, I might have broken your one as well. We'll see, we'll see.
Oh, how electrifying. A rather sudden development, wouldn't you say? One might even call it a flash of inspiration, though I do hope that wasn't meant to be a more new attack. My hair
Wait,
is
what?
quite particular, you see.
Weenie, are you okay? A lightning bolt.
She took
was
that like a
super
fucking
fast.
champ, didn't
Oh,
she?
no.
I thought
Did
she'd
it
be
hurt?
like,
That
I
looked
got
like
hurt.
it really hurt. We should be more careful, but I'm super tough, so I can definitely protect you from all the lightning bolts next time.
Oh, is that right, Mini Vini? Well, let's see if that's true. Okay, every single other lightning bolt hits Mini Vini now. Let's see if she reacts to it a little bit more emotionally compared to regular Vini. Because she did not seem to give a single fucking shit that she got hit by a lightning bolt there. Oh wait, no. Maybe it's just not interpreting my thing very well. Wait, but she said that, are you okay? As if, and it was super fast. So that means they
What?
are role-playing it.
Lightning bolts? For
I don't
me?
know.
Every other one? Oh no. Close. Why would
Okay,
you
chill,
say
chill.
that? I don't want to be hit by lightning. That sounds very shocking and not fun at all.
Oh!
I don't like electricity
shocking.
when it's angry.
Well, well, Mini Vini. It seems you've been deemed worthy of a rather time-electrifying form of attention. Do try to look on the bright side. At least you'll be easy to spot in a storm. Such a dramatic turn of events, wouldn't you say? Close, one might almost call it enlightening.
Ah, damn it. That's the problem, right, with the system, is that this one generated first, and then...
FR0 Zen Sky says, remember back in the day when your TV wouldn't work?
Oh, you want your name to look different?
Uh-oh.
Like a makeover?
Okay, let's try that again. Let's try that again.
FR0 Zen Sky says, can you change 0 in my name to O? FR0 Zen Sky, my dear, while I appreciate your attention to detail, I'm
That's a
afraid
no.
adjusting the intricacies of your digital persona is far beyond my purview. Perhaps a more technical expert could assist you with such a trivial matter?
Oh, you want your name to look different.
And I want
like
you
a
to say his
makeover
name
for your
differently.
name?
Oh my god,
I can't do
Beanies.
that,
You're so
FR0
fucking
Zensky.
stupid.
Only you can change your own name, I think. But your name is nice already.
Alright. I mean, they like your name at least, so there's a silver lining there. You know?
FR0 Zen Sky says, remember back in the day when your TV wouldn't work so you'd bang it a few times? I tried that with my dishwasher, but unfortunately, she ended up pregnant. Yes.
Maybe I
The
shouldn't have
archaic art
regenerated
of
that
percussive
one.
maintenance.
Jesus
A
fucking
rather
Christ.
crude method for resolving technological woes, wouldn't you say? One would think advancements in engineering would have rendered such blunt solutions obsolete. But then again, some things never truly change, do they? FR0 Zen Sky?
Banging
Yeah,
a
they did not get it.
TV? Why
They
would
did not
anyone
get
do
it.
that? Wouldn't it break even more? That sounds super confusing. My things always work perfectly because I take really good care of them. You should always be nice to your stuff.
Very well, Frozen Sky.
FR0
That's
Zen
your
Sky says,
preference.
can you
Okay,
guys
yeah.
just call me Sky or Frozen? Sky or Frozen? Noted. So many metasimplifications naps these days. Very well, FR0
Yeah, noted
Zen
but completely
Sky.
ignored.
If that is your preference, Daps, we shall endeavor to remember it, though the full appellation had a certain gravitas, wouldn't you agree?
Okay, Sky or Frozen.
Yeah,
Got
at
it.
least Mini Beanie
That's
did it.
super easy to remember. We want everyone to feel comfortable here, so we'll totally call you whatever you like. Thanks for telling us, Sky.
Okay, Mini Beanie was okay with it. Regular Beanie though doesn't give a fuck and just ignored your request. So, regular Beanie, you could just call him by Sky or Frozen, and not completely ignore his request. That is an option. So that's going to take some time to process. How perspective of me to notice the nuance. Yeah.
My clothes. How perceptive of you to notice the nuances of my interaction. One might even say I was merely allowing FR0 Zen Sky this opportunity to explore their own agency. As for aliases, I find their full designation rather charming, don't you? It adds a certain flair. Chaxi.
But if FR0 Zen Sky wants their name to be different, maybe we should help them if we can. It's nice to help people, Viney, and I like their name the way it is too. But if they want to change it, that's okay too.
Yeah, that's not going to work. They're not smart enough to actually stick with that. Alrighty, what is the time? Now, unfortunately, I'm probably going to be going around now. It's about like midnight for me, and I probably have to sleep. I was only going to do a short stream. I apologize that I was not prepared to handle the raid. Thank you again to the guy who did the raid. I appreciate it. Sorry to everyone who wait, who was the guy? I should probably actually say their names. It's sort of disrespectful not to. Dr. Star Watcher. But yeah, I apologize that I didn't have anything set up and that it was all broken. But hopefully next time, I'll be a little bit more prepared. Yeah, because I definitely I don't have I normally don't really look at Twitch. I normally spend most of my time focusing on YouTube chat. But yeah, lessons for next time. Well, thank you everyone. I'm going to be heading off now. I'll let the Veenies say goodbye. Alright, Veenies, I'm about to be ending the stream. Say your farewells. Say goodbye to the stream. Wait, I should probably check the studio. Yep, cool, it's processing it. Uh-oh. I just broke my pen while I was talking about that. Shit. Ruh-roh. Ruh-roh. What did I just do? Oh my god.
Already time to part ways? How swift the moments fly when one is observing such more you all lively company. Farewell, everyone. Do remember us fondly until our next encounter. We'll be here, patiently awaiting your return.
Okay, no, it's fine, it's fine. Silas is
already
okay.
Time to go? But we were just having so much fun. Thank you all for coming and staying. It was super nice to meet you, Sky, and everyone. I hope you all come back super soon. We'll miss you, but I'll be right here, ready to be the best for you next time.
Cool. Alright, ciao everyone. Thank you for watching the stream. Definitely wasn't the best stream I've ever done, but I appreciate you guys being here nonetheless. Alright, I'm out.